Devi. Welcome to my channel Sweet and Happy Life. Today we are going to have a glimpse of the 8 parts of speech. Let's take a look. These are the 8 parts of speech. Noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. A noun is a naming word. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, feeling or an idea. Person, girl, boy, teacher. Place, cool home stove. Thing, pencil, jacket. Animal, dog. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. An adjective tells what kind, how many or which one. What kind? Happy, brave. How many? More, two. Which one? This or that. A pronoun is used instead of a noun in a sentence. A pronoun may take the place of an animal, person, thing or place. Example, I, she, it, they, you, he, we, me. Verb. Verb is an action word. A verb can tell what action someone or something is doing. A verb can also express a state of being. Action, run, sit, think, jump, pass, talk. State of being, am, are, were, is, was. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb, adjective or another adverb. An adverb tells how, when, where or to what degree, how quickly, when, today, where, outside, to what degree, fairly. Prepositions are position words. A preposition combines with a noun or pronoun to form a phrase that tells something about another word in a sentence. Example, from, over, to, with, until, after. Conjunction. Conjunctions are joining words. A conjunction joins together single words or groups of words in a sentence. And, but, or, no are some of the examples of conjunction. Interjection. Interjection expresses feelings or emotions. An interjection can be a single word or a phrase. Help! Home! Who! Ho! You! Look out! Out! Huh! Oh dear! Sometimes interjections can't mean anything. Sometimes it can. Apart from the 8 parts of speech, we also need to know articles. Articles are used before a noun. A and the are the 3 articles. A dog, a rabbit, an apple, an ant, the boy, the bird. The boy yelled help and he saw a brave dog quickly run to the rescue. The article, boy noun, yelled verb, help, interjection, and conjunction, he, pronoun, saw, verb, article, brave, adjective, dog, noun, quickly, adverb, ran, verb, to, preposition, the article, rescue, noun. It's good to have the 8 parts of speech in your fingertips to enhance your reading, writing, speaking as well as listening skills. Hope you had a glimpse of the 8 parts of speech. In my upcoming video, we will look into the 8 parts of speech in detail. Stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sweet and